the 1920s, during the construction of the Hoover Dam, workers reported bizarre occurrences, including seeing phantom figures and hearing unexplainable sounds echoing from deep within the dam. Over 100 workers died during the project due to accidents, explosions, and drowning, fueling stories of restless spirits still haunting the site. To this day, visitors and maintenance staff claim to hear mysterious whispers and see strange shadows moving along the dam's dark passageways, leading many to believe it's one of the most haunted structures in the United States.